Sa problem natin na ito, dalawang solution po ang ituturo ko sa inyo. So let's solve and analyze this one. What percentage of 80 is 32? Okay, una, ilagay po natin into equation. So what? Let n dun para sa hinahanap, percentage of, meaning na word na of ay multiplication. 80 is, the word is equal sign ang meaning yan. Take note of that. 32. So, yan na po yung equation natin. Since n yung hinahanap natin, ilipat lang natin itong 80 sa kabila para maiwan po yung n. So, n is equal to, since multiplication dito, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging division. So, 32 divided by 80. Okay. So, pwede na natin yan i-simplify. So, n, kunin lang natin yung greatest common factor niya na 8. So, divide natin both sides ng 8. So, 32 divided by 8 is 4. 80 divided by 8 is 10. So, n is equal to 4 divided by 10 ay 0.4 or 40%. So, yan po yung unang solution natin. Next solution ay ganito. What percentage of 80 is 32? Pag nakita nyo yung word na of, at after niya yung number, ilagay ninyo into denominator. Okay. At pag nakita nyo naman yung is, and next yung number, ilagay ninyo sa numerator. Since percentage yung hinahanap, multiply lang ninyo by 100. At yan na po yung equation natin. So, pwede na tayong mag-cancel out dito. Cancel natin yung 10 at 10 dito. 32 divided by 8 is 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. So, 40%. Same lang din sila. So, therefore, the answer is letter C. Mamili na po kayo dyan kung saang solution po ang gusto ninyo. Yun lamang po. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!